In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your website from HostArmada to HostPapa with this quick tutorial. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, we need to download your website files from HostArmada. To get started, log into your HostArmada account and access the cPanel. Once you're in, find and open the File Manager. This is where all your website's files and directories are stored. Navigate to the public HTML folder, which is the root directory of your website files. You'll want to select all the necessary files associated with your website. Once that's done, click on the compress option, select zip format, and download the zip file onto your computer. Now, if your website uses a database, we'll need to export that as well. Head back to the cPanel and open PHPMyAdmin. Here, find and select your website's database. Hit the export button and then go, saving the .sql file to your computer. This file holds all the information from your database and is crucial for the migration. Next up, we need to get into your HostPapa account. Go to their dashboard and log in. You'll see an option called My cPanel. Click on that to proceed. In HostPapa's cPanel, just like before, open the File Manager and head to the public HTML folder. Click Upload and select the zip file you downloaded from HostArmada. After it's done uploading, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract to unpack your website files here. Ensure all files are visible within the public/HTML directory. Creating a new database on HostPapa is our next step. In their cPanel, select MySQLR databases. You'll create a new database here along with a username and password. It's important to remember these details as you'll need them shortly. Once created, add your new user to the database and be sure to grant all privileges. Now it's time to import your SQL database. Open PHPMyAdmin from HostPapa and select the new database you've just created. Click on Import, then choose File and select the .sql file you downloaded from HostArmada. Hit Go and this will import your database into HostPapa. Before finishing up, there's one more crucial task, updating your website's configuration file. Go back to the File Manager, locate and open your website's config file. If it's a WordPress site, this would be wp-config.php. Update it with the new database details, the name, username, and password you set up on HostPapa. Save these changes to ensure your website connects with the new database. Finally, let's point your domain to HostPapa. Log into your domain registrar, or HostArmada, if that's where your domain resides, and replace the old name servers with HostPapa's ns1 hostpapa.com. After saving these changes, allow up to 24 hours for DNS propagation. As we wrap up, don't forget to test your website. Visit your domain in a browser to ensure it loads correctly on HostPapa's servers. And that's it! You've successfully migrated your website from HostArmada to HostPapa. Great job following along, and thanks for watching.